Let's see if he answers.
Hello.
I got the Yeezys that you was looking for. Why you scamming, boy? Yo, what's going on, Sneak Geeks? Welcome back to another video. So today, a different little series, selling all of my sneakers on eBay. I know a while back, eBay decided to officially just drop any fees of a sneaker that went over 100, which I told you is kind of like a game changer, but also very wary just because honestly, I've been finessed plenty of times, especially like way back when I first started selling. So I figured I'd kind of document make a series out of it. I'm gonna document basically how to sell, what you gotta do. I decided to pick 5 sneakers, as you guys can see right there, and also all of the giveaway packages. Huge shout out to you guys, always showing love, just dropping comments and hitting that thumbs up, man. It's always appreciated. All that will be shipping out today, so stay tuned for that. But yeah, these are the sneakers that I'm deciding to sell as of right now. I think I'm gonna do like 5 at a time, maybe a little bit more. We'll see what I decide to throw on there, but let me show you guys what I'm getting rid of. Number 1 is going to be the multicolor Adidas Ultra Boost. These are brand new. I ended up paying like $400 for these back when they came out. I paid for the code and then an additional $200, but I'm just gonna take the L on these. I'm gonna list these for about $200. And then, you know, we got some J's that just, it's time to go. There's never a right time to say goodbye, but I know that we gotta go our separate ways. And I know it's hard, but I gotta do it. Because I really just don't feel the same that I used to feel about you. Yeah, man, so number 1, I'm getting rid of the What the Jordan 4s. It's just time to go, man. You know, like, I honestly never wore these. I got them specifically for the review, so hasta la bye-bye. And we have the Yeezys on deck. These are the blush. I'm a little sad to let these go, but I never wore them. Like, it's a brand new pair, so, you know, it's gotta go. What? This hoarding addiction is just outrageous. Then we have these 6s. I wore these for like an on foot, basically, so they gotta go. And I can't even remember the name of these. What they call these? I don't even remember, like, I can't think of the name. But again, got these just for the review. This was actually, it's a fire shoe, but I'm never gonna wear these. We have some 9s. Now, I need a size 13 in 9s, so these are honestly too small. And again, they're brand new. I mean, they were worn maybe for a photo shoot, but outside of that, nah. Coming in at number, whatever number we're at, this is some foes. Size 12.5. Oreos. Got these a long time ago. I'll probably clean these up before I list them, but they gotta go. All right, so let's get into this. I'm going to list these first just because it's pretty much the easiest. Now, if you know how to list on eBay, it's pretty simple. I mean, it's really straight to the point. We're just gonna go to ebay.com first and foremost. I'm just gonna take phones off. What did I just say? I'm about to take pictures with my phone. It's really basic. I mean, especially when you're dealing with a brand new sneaker, right? You just take some pictures of it, airdrop them right to the computer, and then we'll just get right into this. I have an eBay account, so you're gonna need to sign up and do all that thing. But the biggest message or thing that I learned is that there's actually a buyer requirements tab that you can kind of decide who you want to be able to bid or buy anything that you're selling, which I think is an awesome feature to have, because there's a lot of like scammers out there, and like I don't get it. I don't get the concept of scamming. I just bro, get a job. I don't know. So it's pretty cool. You can actually go, I found this in a community tab on eBay. You go to buyer protection and it opens up these buyer requirements. Now you can block bidders who have -1 feedback or any types of strikes of not paying. For the most part, for my listings, I usually have it so you gotta just pay immediately. That way there's no games. A lot of people like to buy it and then never pay for it. So it's just a huge waste of time. And sometimes previously, eBay's system thought that you had actually made a sale, even though the buyer hadn't paid, so you're getting hit with fees, but you didn't even get no money, so it doesn't make sense. Either way, something to think about. That happened to me a few times. Like I said, the great thing, no eBay fees. That's super nice to have. Now we're just gonna go to sell Keep it simple. I have copy paste, so these are the my Adidas, size 12, always 100% authentic. We're gonna start, so it gives you a couple tabs, right? Now, you have to be really specific in which tab you have. Clothing, shoes and accessories, men's shoes, athletic shoes. That's what's gonna get you the 0% or no fees with a sneaker over $100. So you gotta look out for that. Your typical Adidas, just fill out the information. This is new without box. Missing box, you don't wear the box, so don't be tripping. We'll add those photos. I'm just gonna add one for now, just so you guys can see. And get that loaded up, rotate it. Obviously you wanna take better pictures than this, but for the sake of the video, this is what you gotta do. Brand is Adidas, what size? 12. And I'm gonna do this for all of the 5 shoes that I have. Now, again, item description. This is just something that I like to paste, bought directly from Adidas. All my items are first come, first serve, US shipping only. Disclaimer, anyone trying to scam or any intent of all of that, just be warned. I did pay $400 total for these. I'm gonna sell them for $200. I'm never gonna wear them, so it's not that big of a deal. I'm just gonna take the L, it sucks. I bought these a couple years ago, but sometimes you need the money. We're gonna do free shipping, UPS. UPS has always been solid. I'm just letting you guys know. Sell it faster, we don't need to do any of that. No fees for now. And then what I'm gonna do is list my item. And we're basically gonna see how this works out. I'm going to list these and all the other shoes that I showed you guys, and I'm just gonna kinda take you through the process. Do they sell in a week? How long does it take them to sell? Does someone scam me? I don't know. If they do scam me, it's a good look for me because I'm about to put eBay on blast. This is not a sponsor video, nothing like that. I am just literally doing this out of curiosity and the huge discussion that we had on Topic Tuesday about how is this gonna go? You know, StockX has high fees, GOAT has high fees, eBay had just ridiculous fees, now they're gone. So I just wanna see how it goes. And honestly, one of my goals for the year is I'm selling everything. I'm selling all my clothes, I'm selling all my sneakers because I have student debt that I'm tired of it. Like in the last 2 years, let me just break this down. This isn't relevant to the video, but I need to make a Topic Tuesday on college. In the last 2 years, I've paid $13,000 of interest for my student loans and my balances haven't went down. So I gotta buckle down. I'm gonna just sell everything and just keep it going. So that's kind of my goal and the reason that I decided to create this little series. And like I said, I'm just gonna keep adding more and more throughout the entire year. I'm hoping to get rid of everything. And it's not like I can't buy it back in the future, but I gotta get rid of this debt. So I'm putting stuff on eBay. I'm also putting stuff on Mike's Bodega. Mike's Bodega is back and running. So if you guys wanna buy any of my clothes, watches, really anything, I'm going to put it on the site because I literally need to sell everything. But there's plenty of content still going. You see all those boxes over there, like that's all content that is gonna be coming. So let's get into posting the rest of these sneakers. I'm not 100% sure on what I should call like this little series. I'm gonna hashtag something, just maybe hashtag selling all my sneakers on eBay, I don't know. But I will keep you guys posted on how it goes. Hopefully I don't get finessed. Literally as I'm editing the video, these sold. No eBay fees for now. I got a small little PayPal fee. These ended up selling for $200. The PayPal fee was $6.10, so I ended up getting $193.90. Plus you have to calculate, shipping is gonna be anywhere from $13 to $20. Most likely I'll do signature confirmation, really anything over $150, or just shoes in general. You should always do signature confirmation. Like, trust me, never, honestly, anything over $100, do not do signature confirmation because stuff just gets sketchy and people try to finesse. Also, never ship to an address that isn't confirmed. Like, boom, right on here, I see confirmed. This dude has plenty of feedback, so I'm not even worried about this. And I also decided to put one of my Solar Yeezy 2s on there, and I already, bro, it's been probably like 2 hours since I was talking to y'all just a little bit ago, and already got one dude lowballing me, like trying to give me pennies. And then I have another dude really out here trying to finesse me. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the screen recording. Let me set it up real quick. So also just to prove you guys I'm not like finessing or anything, I did sell the Ultra Boost. Like I told you, they really sold fast. Like, damn, I just posted them. So that's cool. Wow, that's really fast. But let's go into my messages. Check this out. So for my Solar Yeezys, I'm gonna expose them and everything because it's like, dude, stop scamming. let's go back to the very first message that he sent me. Boom. Can pay $2,950 with UPS next day air overnight ship. PayPal ready, let's talk ASAP. So I'm like, I already know he's finessing because I've seen this message like plenty of times. So I told him, oh, well then buy it now. I'm selling, the sneakers are listed for $2,800, and with that $2,800 you get next day shipping. So I said, okay, just buy the listing. It'll be cheaper than you paying $2,900. I'm not looking for $2,900, I'm looking for $2,800. So what does he say? He says, my eBay buying limit is maxed out until February 23rd. Number one, I've never heard of eBay, whatever, being maxed out until a certain amount of time, so lie. PayPal only. Can pay now. Call or text me. I'm ready to pay. All right, we about to call homie right now. We gonna hit him with the *67. I bet you don't even answer. Let's see if he answers.
Hello.
Hey, what's going on?
What's going on?
I got the Yeezys that you was looking for.
Yeah, what's going on?
So 2,900?
Yes, correct.
You think you could do 3,000?
I mean, I guess.
Stop it. Get some help.
All right, cool.
All right, I have to text you my PayPal information, but I can't text you because you call me private.
Why you scamming, boy? I never heard no maxed out till February 23rd.
My eBay buying limit is maxed out. I can show you a picture if you want.
Yeah, let me see it.
Why the fuck you lying? Why you always lying?
Dang, I should have hit him with my like Jamaican voice. You know what I'm saying? I should be like, hey man, you want the Yeezys? You want the Yeezys, bumble clock? I'd get the line, bro. So it hasn't even been a few hours and I already got people trying to finesse, and it's always the higher priced sneakers. So be on the lookout for that. Like I told you guys, a little documentary series of how selling goes on eBay, but I'm selling on tons of platforms, but I just figured I'd show you guys how eBay's going. Damn, bro, people really out here scamming. We sold one shoe, so see how this goes.